guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul, and I know I said I wasn't gonna do hauls, anymore. I didn't need anything, but I meant clothes. Didn't mean Dollar Tree. I just better stop saying I'm not gonna do any more hauls because it's gonna come up. Sometimes you just gotta get some things. So anyway, back with a Dollar Tree haul. Hadn't been in a while, so I'm gonna get on into it because I got some interesting things. I got some things for my crafts that are coming up. And first of all, I got this white boa constrictor. And see all the feathers floating around. But I got this white boa constrictor. I think that's what it's called. Oh yeah, boa. White boa. So I'm going to do something with that. And then I got some of these acrylic gems. I've been seeing these everywhere, on the halls and different things. And I think these would be so pretty on some DIY bling bling crafts. So got that. I think I got a couple more in the bags down there. And for cleaning, and this is in no particular order, but I got some gloves, some of these reusable rubber gloves for cleaning or whatever you need to do with them. I got 3 packs of those. And also for a craft, I'm kind of floating around with things to do with this one, but I got this green vase, this little vase, and I'm going to do something with that. I think that would kind of look pretty in this setting, so we'll see. But I got some flowers to go in it. I'll show you in a second, but I thought this was going to be so pretty, of course, with some other little colors mixed in. I got this little glass. I thought this was too cute with this handle on it. Y'all, I tell you, my husband don't want to see another thing come in this house because you all know that I brought a lot of things from my mom's house too. So, of course he can't say too much about it. Those are memories and things like that. But before my mom passed, we were trying to throw things out of the house. That's one of the issues. We were trying to throw some stuff out. Now, I've gotten like almost a room full of stuff, from my mom's, but hey, that's a different thing. That's love and memories. But anyway, I got a little glass. It was just too cute to leave behind. Yeah, for breakfast. Well, anytime you just want to sip something. Yeah, I just thought it was cute. I'm not gonna make up no excuses. It's just cute. So I got that. I got this Dove Intensive Cream. I'm still loving on the Dove Intensive Cream. Keep in your purse or use here at home. So I think I got 1 or 2 more too. Must be in the bag. So I got this cookie tray, the small cookie tray. I have 3 big industrial trays that I make my cookies on. But sometimes I do just a small batch of chocolate chip cookies, just 6. I've cut the recipe down to fit 6 cookies, which is, perfect for me. Actually, eating 4 is perfect. 2 is some to share. And I got this splatter screen. I got another one of these. You all probably have seen, I've done a couple of things with these. I made a wreath, a Thanksgiving wreath out of this last year. And then I also have a splatter screen. It wasn't this screen, but I made a splatter screen from baking racks, the cooling racks. So I'll try to link that at the end of this video. Make sure you see that. When you're frying things, this will be the perfect thing to keep everything else clean around your frying pan. So make sure you watch that video. And I have this photo frame. I think this would be so cute to decorate. Try to DIY something with a nice saying and a little cute pic of I'm not going to say nothing else about it. I don't want to get an idea away. But I think this would be so cute. I'm trying to show you all on DIY. But I had some ideas for this picture frame in silver. Moving on. I got these, it's 12 lens wipes for glasses. And I need to keep these in my purse because when I'm out and about, all those little cleaning cloths they give you, I have lost most of them that they give you with your glasses. So, and I'm guessing this is a moist towelette. I'm not sure. But yeah, I needed some to keep in my purse. And I got this Flower Face of the World Tinted Moisturizer. Now, I don't know exactly why I got it. I don't wear foundation at all. I don't even do concealer and stuff. I need to because I have dark eyes under here, but That's just not one of my things, the foundation and stuff, but it's beautiful on people. I just haven't mastered it, and my husband doesn't care for it. He's affectionate, so he's like, I don't want to be kissing no foundation. I don't like all that stuff, so I just wear, the other stuff, eyeshadow, lipsticks, wear blush and stuff. But as far as he just don't care for all that. So I got some of this tinted moisturizer to see if I can even this up right here. So we'll see. It was just $1 from the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd try it out. So moving on. Okay, I have 2 more packs of gems. And then I have some of these ribbon diamond wrap. These are the silver, and then I also have gold. I better be making up some stuff. Y'all, I keep buying stuff for these crafts, and I haven't made nothing yet. When I wanted to start not long ago, you all know, things changed, so I had to put off my little DIY projects, because they take time. Little DIY projects take time to come up with and then to do, and the camera angles, all that. So you have to have time for that. But anyway, I got silver and gold. I got pink. That's more silver. I tell y'all, I better be doing something with this. And green. We got green right here. So those are for my little DIYs. I've done DIYs forever. Since I was a teenager. And I've always made stuff since I was little. I've always made stuff. But it's time to get with it now. I got some speed stick for my husband and son. The aluminum free kind. This is the Irish Spring. And this is the fresh scent. So I got that. Another Dove. Another speed stick. This is aluminum free. This is Power of Nature Avalanche scent. So I got that. And also I got another boa, and this one is pink. Woo. The little feathers flying a little bit. And then I got this little scrubber. So I can use this for cleaning. It could be for dishes, to get, tough things out of the dishes or pots and pans or whatever. This can be used for grout, a lot of different things, because it's hard bristles, and then you have this one on the back too. So got that. I also got some paper plates. These are the bigger ones. There are only 14 in here, but I needed some big ones for when I don't want to do dishes, but there's still a lot of food, and a smaller plate won't do. But yeah, these are the big ones, and they're for hot and cold, but they're the foam plates. And also just needed a few more hangers around the house. So this is 7 hangers, so I thought that was pretty good for $1. And I got this Eyeglass Repair Kit. Yeah, so I need to keep that in my purse. Nothing has happened so far, while I'm out and away from home, but you never know when you're going to need it. So I picked up one for $1. Also, I got 3 bushes of flowers. 2 are white with pink, just little pink accents throughout. I wanted to do a craft with them, and I may mix in some cream ones. Not sure, but thought that would be pretty. I got some ideas floating around. I have 2 sets of these thank you notes. There are 6 in each pack. There used to be 8 and also a 10-pack. I don't see them anymore. So, yeah. Anyway, got 2 packs of those. I also got some gift bags, and these are a pack of 3. Just for when you want to give somebody a little something, something. And this is going in my room on top of my black, I have a black jewelry box that kind of stands up. It's on my dresser. One that I love. It's real pretty. Got it for Christmas a few years ago from my husband and kids, I think. But anyway, I have a little round saucer type cute little thing sitting on it. It's also clear acrylic too, but now I've gotten much more jewelry in these hauls and stuff, and I need some more room. So this I'm going to put there to replace the little round saucer type holder. And I thought this would be perfect to hold more things. And I may decorate it. I'm not sure. I kind of want to change the colors in my bedroom, because right now I would be putting gold on here to match my bedroom. But I think I want to change stuff to more silver. So I'm going to hold off, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the jewelry in here, and I'll decorate it later. Alright, and last bag. It'll smell good. I got 2 of these. Y'all know these are some of my favorites. These Glade lemon fresh little gel things, little trees. Love those. You put them in a room and it just smells fresh. And going on with the lemon theme, I got these 2. This is Oatmeal and Lemon Verbena. They got a new box. Same good smell. And I got the Sugar Soap Works lemon soap. It's a plant-based bar soap. This one is also plant-based as well, sulfate and paraben free, vegan. And this is the same, but same company. They smell kind of the same, but they have 2 different looks. So I'm going to take them out later on and see if there's a difference at all. But yeah, this one is lemon verbena, and this one is just lemon. This one is oatmeal also. Oatmeal and lemon verbena, and this is a lemon soap. Also, I got some Coast. That's kind of an old school one. Who out there still use Coast? If you still use Coast, write it down in the comments below. And let me know, if you all shop at Dollar Tree, what's your favorite soap to get from there? Let me know if you've tried this lemon verbena too. I always get it, but let me know if you all get it. Alright, got some Pine Sol. And I tried this, or I tried it. I'm trying it for my husband and son. They'll actually try it. But if it smells good, I might. In our shower, my husband uses it. I might just, it smells good. It smells really good. I am loving the scent of it. This is a Men Plus Care. This is from Dove. Dove Men Plus Care. Extra fresh, invigorating formula. And it's 1/4 moisturizing cream, just like, you know, the regular Dove. And it's a body and a face bar. And it, y'all, this milk is nice and fresh. Alright, the last thing out of the bag is Petroleum Jelly. And this is the 100% pure, paraben-free skin moisturizer and protective. It's the baby, in their little baby line, the Baby Love. Baby soft scent. And it smells so good. And this is one that I put with my lotions too. I use regular Vaseline, but when I can get this, when I see it in Dollar Tree, because they don't always have it. Sometimes I guess they're low and they don't have it. But when I can find it, it smells so good, and it adds to the scent of the lotion. You know, I mix my lotions with Vaseline and something from Bath and Body usually. So I'll try to put that video at the end of this one too. Okay? So, oh, one more thing. A couple more things. Hold on. I got these. Oh. I got these poster boards. So we're having an estate sale at my mom's. We're having a second estate sale, and I got some of these to, you know, make signs for pointing people towards where the house is. So yeah. All right, and I think that is it. But you all comment below and let me know. Also, in addition to these soaps and stuff, let me know what your favorite Dollar Tree product is. Let me know what your favorite thing to get at Dollar Tree is. Okay, something you get it on the regular, whether it's toilet paper or, you know, some kind of cleaning product or whatever. Let me know what is your Dollar Tree staple. All right, you guys, that is it. Be blessed. I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.